Hello, GoGo Learning students. Thank you for joining us in class. So let's check out our game.
Birthday candle count.
Cool.
It is Jaden's birthday. How old is he? Click on the candles to count and then select a number.
Great, so let's count.
1,
Good. Try to count along with me and our game.
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 8. How is she? 1, 8, or 6? 8?
That's right.
Good.
How old is Noah?
How old is Noah? Let's count. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8, 9. Is Noah 3, 2, or 9? 9?
That's right.
Good.
How many years old is Alan?
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Is Alan 6, 8, or 4? 4? Good.
That's right. It is Liam's birthday. How old is he?
Okay, last one, guys. Let's count together. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5. Is Noah 5, 6, or 10? 5, 6, or 10? 5? Good.
That's right. Tony is a big boy. How old is he?
Good job, guys. Tony is
1.
1. Yay. Good job, guys. I can give you that link if you want to play. So really quick, how old are we? So we can see here, how many candles do we have? 1. Good. And what about 2? How many candles do we have here? Let's count 1 and 2. Good. So what comes next? Can you count for me? Let's count. Good. 1, 2, 3. 3. Awesome. Keep going, guys. What's next? Can you count for me? I want to hear. How many? 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's keep going. Can we count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 hand. We remember that, right? And then we add one more on for 6. Good. Let's keep going to 7. Yeah. And moving on to 8. Good. Keep going on to, where are we? We're here to 9. And when we have both of our hands up, We're at number 10. Can you count my fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10! Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. Wow! 10 fingers on everyone's hands. Good job, guys. Okay, so when somebody asks you, I am blank years old, we're talking about 你多大? I am blank years old. So maybe you are 2 years old. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you are 2 years old. Me? Or maybe you are 3 years old. Raise your hand if you're 3 years old. Cool. Maybe you are 4 years old. 4. Raise your hand if you're 4 years old. Me. Good. Or you are 5 years old. 5. Raise your hand if you're 5 years old. Yeah. Or maybe you're a little bit older and you're 6 years old. Yeah. Raise your hand if you're 6 years old. Good. Or maybe you're even older and you're 7 years old. Raise your hand if you're 7 years old. Cool. Very big. Or maybe you are 8 years old. Raise your hand if you are 8 years old. Good. Good job. Can you guys say your age? I am 2 years old. Let's say it together. I am 2 years old. I am 2 years old. Good. So take a moment. I want us to count and see how old is Sandy. So let's count together. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So is Sandy 3? Is Sandy 2? Or is Sandy 4? 3? Good. Sandy is 3 because we see 1, 2, 3 candles on Sandy's cake. Cake. This is cake. 蛋糕, right? 好吃蛋糕. Good. Okay, and last but not least, how old is Tommy? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles on Tommy's cake. Wow. So is Tommy 1? Is Tommy 4? Or is Tommy 7? 7? Good. Good job. Tommy is 7. Okay, students, that wraps up our class for today. See you next time, okay? Bye bye.